So in this video I'm gonna try Shopify dropshipping without using any of my money. What is up YouTube? Here I am back at it with another video. If you haven't already, made sure to hit that subscribe button below. So I talk in a lot of my videos about how you guys can start Shopify dropshipping and with little to no money from the start. So I'm doing this video talking about how you guys to start Shopify dropshipping with $0, so none of your money. So let's get straight to it. The idea is simple. You have to do marketing with influencers. How is that? You would share your revenue with them, and only if you sell. If you don't sell, there's no money to be spent. By step how I personally do this in order to implement this strategy successfully. Number 1, of course, I have to find a product, then I have to build a store, then I had to find the influencers, and I have to contact them, then I have to negotiate with them, then hopefully get a couple, or a few, or even one to promote, and then hopefully it gets some sales. So without further ado, let's go straight into it. So for the product I picked this electric clothes drying rack. And the reason I picked this one, because it's in the clothing niche, and there's a ton of influences in that niche. So for the strategy I usually pick the niches that have the most of influences, because for the strategy it's gonna be a numbers game. And in case you don't know how to pick a product, the free and easiest way to do so is to go to AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Create an account for free. And it'll give you access to a bunch of top selling products on AliExpress. And you're probably gonna hear me said a lot, it's a numbers game. Meaning that you have to contact a bunch of influencers in order for a few to be down. So this is not something where you could contact only 10 influencers and then most of them gonna be down. This is a strategy where you have to contact 100 influencers, then 5, 10 or even less than that to be down. So I want this to be in your mind, so you guys do not expect a bunch of influencers to be down for this strategy. So now that I have the product, it's time to create the Shopify store. And I know what some of you guys are thinking and watching this video: how can you make a store? How can you do this all with no money? When Shopify costs $29 a month. Well, Shopify has a free trial that is currently 14 days. So, I'll have 14 days to make money with the store for free until I am charged, and the quick and easy and simple trick to do this is after I create the store, I'll then pick a plan, then I'll enter my credit card information, but I would not be charged until after the 14th day. So all you have to do is pick a plan, enter your credit card or debit card information, and you will not be charged until after the 14th day. So I highly recommend this simple and easy trick so you guys to use this free trial to your complete advantage. If you guys want to see my results after trying this method, check out the next video. I make it as a 48 hours challenge using this method. So check it out.